Hey guys, R4GE VipeRzZ here, and today I'm going to show you what you can do if you cannot access all of the accessibility settings on a Chromecast/Google TV streamer. So at the minute, if I come into accessibility settings and I try to go below the accessibility shortcut option, so if I press down again, it then crashes in the menu and returns back to where I was before. So to get around that, all you want to do is you want to come to your quick settings, then all settings, and then you want to come down to system. Then in system, you want to come to language, and then in language, you want to press into it, and then you want to find English, and then you want to change your language to English United States. Now if we go back out of this, and then we go to accessibility, if I now try and scroll down below the accessibility shortcut option, as you can see it now works. So this seems to be an issue with some sort of localization that is causing the menu to crash. So if you do that, you can then come in and change the options, and then if you really want, you can come back to system and language and change your language back from English United States. So guys, hopefully that worked for you. If you like the video, don't forget to like button. If you liked it, hit the like button, subscribe, comment like this, and I'll see you another time. Bye.